For recording your video of your presentation, there are two particularly common recording tools used for my courses. You can use something else. I'm totally okay with that. Recording tool number one is Screencast-o-Matic. So if you go to screencastomatic.com, you'll get a website like this. Start recording for free will allow you to be able to download this little extension. It may come with it automatically, this screen recorder launcher, and it will allow you to record videos with your voice, and if you want, even include yourself for free for up to 15 minutes. Video recordings that last longer than 15 minutes require the actual paid version. Also, videos that are freely recorded videos, Screencast-o-Matic's logo appears in the bottom corner. So it's okay if that's the case for this course. If you want to record more than one video for other classes at any point, as long as you're keeping them under 15 minutes, this program or this website seems to do the job. Another alternative would be to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you've got a presentation prepared in Microsoft PowerPoint, what you can do is you can use these different tools, one of which here on the slideshow button will allow you to record the slideshow. By clicking this button, the slideshow will launch, and as you talk, it will be recording information. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is just a test. It is currently recording my information. I'm going to click on the next slide. It is still recording my information. This slide now is at 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds. I can click on the third slide or the third bullet, and as I go down these, it's recording. I stopped it. I hit escape, or I was going to hit end show. It shows that I've recorded 30 seconds. If I say yes, go ahead and save the slide timings. It's not saving the PowerPoint file. It's just putting the timings into this particular file. I see that there was 10 seconds recorded here, 19 seconds recorded there. I didn't get to slide number 3. It also switched to the slide sorter view. If you want to switch back to normal, I can do that. When I look at the slide sorter view, I can see the times a little bit better. On normal, I don't see the times, but I can see that it's treating my audio as an animation. If I were to go to slideshow and hit play from current slide as if I were viewing it, you could pretty much just put it on autopilot at this point, and you'd be able to save this and upload this PowerPoint file, and it will keep your voice. This is just a test. It is currently recording my information. I'm going to click on the slide. It is still recording my information. This slide now. So you can go faster at the leisure of the person viewing the slideshow as well. So it's an easy tool to use. It may take a little bit of practice to get able to use. So that is another option. So option 1, Screencast-o-Matic. Option 2 that I presented would be the actual PowerPoint recorder. If you use some other program other than PowerPoint to put together your presentation, like there are these things called Prezi that are out there. Prezis are similar to PowerPoint. People may use them. There may be other free programs. How are you going to record your video? If they don't allow the actual recording to be done through their website, you could use Screencast-o-Matic as just one of several options that are out there. In the next video, we'll talk about how to upload the video file to Blackboard or upload the PowerPoint file to Blackboard. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.